Rain has a way slowing down the world, washing all the noise away. Every street becomes a mirror, every shadow starts to sway. Gray skies hanging like a memory, soft enough to make me stay. I don't mind the cloud above me, I've been chasing brighter days. Every drop upon the pavement knows a story I forgot. In the silence of the weather, I remember who I'm not. Let the rain fall over me tonight, leave tomorrow out of sight. Every ripple, every streetlight glow carries somewhere I don't know. If the world keeps spinning faster, I'll just walk the slower way. Sometimes all a heart needs is another rainy day. The air is colder, cleaner somehow. Leaves are dancing in the breeze. Every footstep finds a rhythm hidden underneath the trees. Water paints the roads with silver rain, headlights drifting through the haze. Life becomes a little quieter, lost inside the rainy main. Metal rail sings soft like thunder, pine trees whisper overhead. Every echo fills the spaces where too many words were said. Let the rain fall over me tonight, leave tomorrow out of sight. Every huddle holds the skyline, every heartbeat keeps the time. If the world keeps rushing onward, I can let the moment stay. Sometimes all a soul needs is another rainy day. Found shelter in the silence, not beneath the roof or wall, just the rhythm of the rainfall, teaching me to let things fall. Maybe every storm is only trying to wash the dust away, leaving something clearer than the sunlight ever gave. So let the rain fall over me tonight, turn these dark clouds into light. Every drop becomes an answer to a question left behind. If tomorrow comes without me, I'll still smile before I fade, because I found forever in another rainy day. Laid out a wonderful atmosphere, it slows the world enough to hear the quiet beating of your heart. And